Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the ASX Small Cap Stock of the day. And on November 22nd, that company is Vysarn. For full disclosure purposes, I am a shareholder of this company. I've been a shareholder for, I think, about 500 days. For quite a while, this has been a pretty good wealth winner for me. Share price, I think, has maybe tripled, definitely doubled, close to tripling. But the company had the AGM. And there was something a little bit disappointing within the trading update they released alongside the AGM. And there was panic in the streets when Vysarn shares started trading this morning. And when I say panic, I mean panic. In fact, the panic was so short-lived that if someone bought right on the low, they could have sold within 20 minutes. Yes, within 20 minutes at a 50% profit. We'll have a look at the chart and the trading in Vysarn later in the day. And this, or the trading in Vysarn, really exemplifies, if that is the right word I'm using, why I don't want to trade when a company releases a price-sensitive announcement until I see the market react over a longer period of time. And when I say longer period of time, I'm talking about at least 1 day, because there were some people this morning who panicked when they saw Vysarn share price collapsing, who are more than likely regretting their decision right now. And the reason I do that is because I've learned that lesson in the past. I have seen the market do really rational things when a company releases something along the lines of what Vysarn did this morning. Okay, so what I'll do is we'll have a look at the announcement and the reason why the share price collapsed, and then we'll have a look at the trading and the chart for Vysarn. Okay, last time I looked, yeah, share price down 8%, so might be thinking, oh, it's down a fair bit, but it was down about 45% at the low in the day, and a fair bit of trading today. Volume 10 million shares traded. Now, the company did have the AGM. No trading update alongside the AGM, but there was a trading update in the AGM presentation. So let's have a look at this update. And when I did see it, I was like, ooh, I think the share price will sell off. So they're talking about what happened in financial year 24. But the most important thing when it comes to AGMs is any sort of outlook. And here it is, Vysarn outlook. And there was a bit of a trading update here. So Vysarn anticipates sustained earnings growth in financial year 25. That's okay. But in the first half of the financial year 25, this is the reason why the market panicked and there was a bit of sell-off. Earnings before tax anticipated to be below second half financial year 24, following ongoing conservatism within the WA resources sector as a result of the broader global economic and political environment and consequential uncertainty in commodity prices. Now, Vysarn management do believe there's going to be a rebound in the second half. Now, usually when I do read that, I am skeptical because a lot of times we have seen that second half rebound does not happen. So they said financial year 25 earnings before tax is expected to be materially skewed to the second half, subject to a combination of the realization of latent demand in the WA resource sector and the acquisition completion of wastewater services and CMP Consulting Group. So there is a need for a bit of trust in the management. And if we don't see a rebound or earnings before tax materially skewed to the second half, then some of that trust will be eroded, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the share price of Vysarn significantly lower than it is now. So that's the reason why. This is the reason why the share price of the company is lower today. But there is, I suppose, large segments of the market that do like this company. They also like the potential of this company over the next 5 to 10 years. So let's have a look at the trading of Vysarn today. In fact, the one-day candlestick is a really intriguing candlestick. You don't usually see this very often, with a massive shadow below the main body, which tells us there was significant buying pressure during the day, particularly within the first few hours. Because if you have a look at the 1 minute chart, this is extraordinary. So the share price actually reached a low in the 3rd minute of trading. Share price went down to 27 cents. And in that minute, when the share price went to 27 cents, there was a lot of buying within that minute. Share price went to 27 cents, and the next minute it closed at 35 cents. Yes, went from 27 cents to 35 cents. I completely missed this. And the share price kept on rallying back up to 42 cents. So someone could have bought, literally could have bought at the low of 27 cents and sold within about 20 minutes at a 50% profit, selling at 42 cents, because 42 cents would have been a really good price to sell. That would have been sort of a resistance level. The reason why 42 cents is resistance level is, I'll show you right now. If you go to the daily chart, this is the beautiful chart for Vysarn. There's me buying at 16 cents, so definitely doubled. Not quite. Share price had tripled recently. Anyway, so bought that, about 400 trading days or 400 calendar days ago. Anyway, so I did port a nice little support level at about 42 cents. And the reason why 42 cents was a support level is because the share price had trouble getting above that level for about 2 months back in August and September. And then once it got above it, we saw the share price pull back, and then it got close to 42 cents and then pull higher. And not only that, 2 days ago, two trading days ago, share price bounced off 42 cents. So 42 cents was a good resist or support level, and also a get out of this trade. So this is just a trade for me. This is not a long-term hold. And today's share price has been as high as 42 cents. So now, possibly 42 cents is a resistance level. Now, I'm just going to remain on the sidelines for now. And if I don't see the share price rally above 42 cents, I might take profits in Vysarn. Really big volume coming in, which is not a shock. We have seen an increase in volume over the past 3 or 4 months. That's a good sign moving forward for Vysarn. And again, really good bounce, really good buying pressure coming in. Buying pressure coming in today. And that's a good sign moving forward for Vysarn. Okay, so that's all I have for the small cap stock of the day, Vysarn. By the way, this company has a market cap, I'm assuming, has a market cap about 180 to 200 million. 210 million. With the share price down about 6.9% last time I looked. Anyway, so this company, I wouldn't say is expensive. It's growing. That's the other thing. So things are moving in the right direction for Vysarn. They're in the right space. So that's another reason why this company is a small cap stock of the day. So have a closer look at Vysarn. That's it for this particular video. If you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.